have to share this with you guys, right? All right. You hear that crunch? What's up, guys? I'm Dariany, and I love to grill. I also love al pastor and quesadillas with my own secret ingredients. Let's make the marinade for the pork first. First thing we're going to take is the annatto. This marinade is sweet, it's savory, it's smoky, and what I love about it is it has guava. And then I'm going to add some garlic powder, some cumin, and then this is oregano. If you have Mexican oregano, please use Mexican oregano. It doesn't taste the same. And I like to put it in my hand and kind of go like this because it helps to release the natural oils of the oregano. It makes it even more fragrant. All right, oregano, get on in there. Then I'm gonna add some white vinegar. Of course, pineapple juice because you can't have al pastor without pineapple. All right, so mix this up, of course. Salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna add the pork shoulder slices in. Listen, you gotta get your hands dirty sometimes. It smells so good, people. And yeah, that annatto is what gives the al pastor that like signature red kind of color. Let this marinate for at the very least 2 hours. I've already done that, so let's go check on it. All right, it is finished. Oh, if you guys could just smell this. Let's cut her up. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Oh my goodness. I just need a second, guys. The guava gives it such a nice sweetness. It's still like tangy and savory and listen, I'm super sicky, but I don't care. Totally worth it. This is just part one. We still gotta make the quesadillas. They're gonna go on that grill behind me. Let's do it. Okay, it's time to grill up our quesadilla. Of course, put down the tortilla and then the Monterey Jack cheese. It's called the quesadilla, people, which means put some queso. Don't be scared. And then I'm gonna add some of this al pastor that I just cut up and gonna finish it with some more queso. Top and press. We'll see it in a bit. Go. Woo! Look at that. Oh, so crispy. Okay, but you see this little piece? This piece is calling my name. I'm gonna top it with some of this amazing creamy pineapple salsa. It has pineapple, it has red onion, it has bell peppers, avocado, lime, and cilantro. All right, this might get messy. Oh my. I don't bake it with small bites. This is so good. I mean, obviously super cheesy. The outside is grilled to perfection. The al pastor, that guava and pineapple mix. And then the salsa's perfect because it's so refreshing. Okay, people, I'm Dariany. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna finish this. See you next time. Do you hear that crunch? Oh.